Hi everyone. Welcome to the channel Medicine Explained. Today we're talking about high blood pressure, also known as hypertension, a condition that affects millions of people worldwide. Even though high blood pressure is common, many people don't realize why it happens. So in this video, I'm going to share 5 major reasons why you might have high blood pressure. Make sure you stay tuned until the end, because some of these might surprise you. Reason 1. Genetics. Let's start with genetics. Your genes play a significant role in determining your risk for high blood pressure. If your parents or grandparents had hypertension, you might be more likely to develop it too. Genetics can influence how your body processes salt, water, and stress hormones, and how your blood vessels function. For example, some people naturally retain more sodium, which can increase blood volume and pressure. Even though you can't change your genes, knowing your family history is important. If you're at risk, you can take preventive steps like healthy eating, regular exercise, and stress management. Reason 2. Stress. The second reason is stress. Stress is something we all face, but chronic stress can seriously affect your blood pressure. When you're stressed, your body releases hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, which temporarily raise your heart rate and constrict blood vessels. Over time, repeated stress can lead to long-term high blood pressure. Simple habits can make a huge difference. Try deep breathing exercises or meditation. Go for daily walks or exercise to release tension. Even listening to music or spending time in nature can help lower stress levels. Finding what works for you is key, because managing stress is not just about feeling relaxed. It's about protecting your heart. Reason 3. Diet. Next is diet, which is a huge factor. Eating too much salt, sugar, or processed food can raise your blood pressure. Salt causes your body to retain water, increasing the volume of blood and putting more pressure on your arteries. Processed foods often have hidden sodium and unhealthy fats, which can worsen the problem. On the other hand, a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help lower blood pressure. Foods high in potassium, magnesium, and fiber are especially beneficial. Some tips: limit fast food and salty snacks. Cook at home more often to control ingredients. Drink plenty of water to help balance sodium levels. Small changes in your diet can have a big impact over time. Reason 4. Lack of physical activity. The fourth reason is lack of physical activity. When you don't exercise regularly, your heart has to work harder to pump blood. This can lead to higher blood pressure over time. Exercise strengthens your heart, improves blood flow, and helps your blood vessels stay flexible. It also helps you manage weight, which is another factor in hypertension. Some easy ways to stay active: brisk walking for 30 minutes a day, jogging, cycling, or swimming a few times a week. Even bodyweight exercises at home, like squats and push-ups, can make a difference. Consistency is key. Small amounts of activity every day add up. Reason 5. Lack of sleep. Finally, the fifth reason is lack of sleep. Yes, I know that too. In the morning, you have to get up for work or school, but when the next video from Medicine Explained is so interesting, just one more. Sleep is when your body recovers and repairs itself. During deep sleep, your blood pressure naturally drops. If you don't get enough sleep or your sleep is poor quality, your blood pressure may stay high even at night. Chronic sleep deprivation can also increase stress hormones, making the problem worse. Tips for better sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night. Keep a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. Avoid caffeine or heavy meals before bed. Create a dark, cool, and quiet sleep environment. Good sleep habits are one of the easiest ways to help regulate blood pressure naturally. So there you have it. 5 reasons why you might have high blood pressure. Genetics, stress diet, lack of physical activity, lack of sleep. Remember, hypertension is manageable. Small lifestyle changes can make a huge difference, and regular checkups with your doctor are important to monitor your health. But it's always important to check with your doctor if you're concerned. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next health tips. Videos will be released regularly every Friday. Thanks for watching, and take care of your health.